Dearest Beloved, we as your angels are here to remind you of the love that surrounds you endlessly at all times of your day, in every hour awake and every hour asleep. You are the light of the world. We see your light even when it's hidden from you, for your light is in the deepest connection to the Creator of all that is. This is the same light that is in every creature and every being ever created. You and all of life are sacred. Many times it can be hard to see this light because of fear or doubts, feelings of separation, confusion, fear, anxiety. But that light within you can never, ever die. It is a light of love. It is the light of your soul. And just know that we are here as a reflection of this light within you. We are your guides, guiding you home, guiding you back into your heart, your truest home on earth. It is important to listen to your heart, to tend to your heart, to covet your heart with kindness, understanding, and love. You are protected in this beautiful light that you naturally are. The more you start to know and understand your truest nature, the more you'll be able to shine this light into the world. We love you always. Be not afraid, for we walk amongst you in all moments of your life. We know you endlessly since the time you were born, and even previously before then. And we understand, love, and deeply care for you always. We rejoice with you when you are happy, and we hold your heart tenderly when you feel worry, fear, and shame. We have always been there, and we know and see your light that you cannot always see. There are many times you have doubted yourself, that you have felt alone, afraid, and worried. But please know this: We have always been here. We are awaiting your union with your inner light during even the darkest of times, for we know the greatness of love that you truly are. We are here as holders and gatekeepers of your precious heart. We hold the key to the entrance as you allow yourself to melt into the truest and the trust in knowing of your love, your greatest self and wisdom that lies within you. We are here celebrating your nature and your return. The best way to reconnect with your heart is to first make a sanctuary of loving kindness within your own self. Allow yourself to sink into loving kindness, gentleness, and understanding for your own inner world. Let this be a place of peace by creating a space of true understanding and love. Your inner world is your sanctuary where we rest. The more love you allow into this space, the more you can feel us, hear us, and commune with us. Be gentle, dear one. Treat your heart and your emotions as if they are a worried, fretful child or a tearful baby, and treat them with loving compassion and kindness. Allow your inner space of love to be the sanctuary of peace that you can then meet with us. For here, everything is understood and everything is forgiven. You hold the key as well as we, for now you have become one with us, and our hearts breathe as one. This is the secret and the answer to true inner peace, and knowing that here, forever and always, within this space of your heart, all is well, deeply loved, tenderly held, and never ever forgotten. Know that you are and always will be loved.